Hey guys, welcome back to Trusted Technology. Today we'll talk about whether bots will be banned from snatching up online goods. Let's head into it. The problem of scalping. Scalper bots, also known as scalping bots, use automated methods to secure goods, such as event tickets that are bought in bulk and complete the checkout process in a fraction of the time it would take any legitimate user. Attackers, scalpers, use automated software to sit at the front of the queue and buy thousands of tickets from the moment they go on sale. Scalping is a well-known technique in the ticketing industry, where the purchased tickets are resold later at a profit by the scalpers or touts. This can also lead to a type of user denial of inventory, since the goods or services become unavailable. Scalpers purchasing limited availability goods or tickets for resale elsewhere can result in negative public opinion, becoming associated with the targeted brands. Scalper bots are designed to fill in information that is required for the purchase process, such as credit card details and billing address, which would take a human user significantly more time than it takes for an attacker to complete the checkout process in a fraction of the time it would take any legitimate user. More sophisticated scalper bots are able to bypass the CAPTCHA and other security measures that are in place. They are also programmed with software scripts to increase their chances of success, while they purchase tickets from online vendors like Ticketmaster or Live Nation, using automated techniques such as scraping pages for content or following web links. By continuously guessing until a positive response is received by the website, scalper bots often circumvent any limit on ticket purchases set by the vendor. They can fill out hundreds of credit card numbers at one time, so it would be virtually impossible for any human being to do this manually and without any errors. The bill. Politicians in the US have announced a new legislative bill named the Stopping Grinch Bots Act, after the Dr. Seuss character that stole Christmas, which seeks to curtail the scalping of high-demand toys and goods. The bill, which specifically targets scalpers, using bots to snap up online inventories of in-demand items in order to resell them at significantly higher prices, doesn't limit its focus to the video games industry, but it would certainly cover items such as consoles and graphics cards, both of which have been hit particularly hard by scalping as a result of supply chain issues worsened during the pandemic. These third-party sellers use bots to bypass security measures and manipulate online sales systems to buy toys. The press release announcing the bill explains, leading to some toys being almost impossible to buy online or in stores at retail prices, exacerbating shortages caused by stressed supply chains. At a time when families should be able to spend time with their loved ones, digital Grinch bots are forcing Americans to scour online sites in the hopes of finding an affordable gift or paying exorbitant prices for a single toy. The announcement continues. These bots don't just squeeze consumers, they pose a problem for small businesses, local retailers, and other entrepreneurs trying to ensure they have the best items in stock for their customers. The bill has been proposed by Representative Paul Tonko, Senator Richard Blumenthal, Senate Majority Leader Charles E. Schumer, and Senator Ben Ray Lujan, and is intended to create a more level playing field so everyone has a fair chance of buying popular products at reasonable prices when shopping online. It follows a similar proposal, the Better Online Ticket Sales Act, or the Bots Act, that was signed into law in 2016, prohibiting the use of automated bots to acquire tickets for public events and making it illegal for scalpers to sell those tickets. The authors of the proposed legislation, which is supported by the Consumer Reports, Consumer Federation of America, and the National Consumer League, say it would apply similar mechanisms used in the Bots Act to ban bots bypassing security measures implemented by online retail sites. This isn't the first time such a bill has been proposed. Tonko, Blumenthal, and Schumer originally introduced the legislation in 2019, but its progress stalled in congressional committees. The lawmakers are clearly hoping the increased stock shortages resulting in the current global supply chain issues will help drum up more support this time around. Here in the UK, stories of scalpers and scalping groups dominating the headlines have similarly drawn the ire of MPs. Last December, a number of politicians put forward an early day motion in UK Parliament to prohibit the resale of consoles and PC parts that are significantly overpriced, similar to existing legislation for the secondary selling of tickets, while also proposing the resale of goods purchased by bots could be made illegal. The motion has so far drawn cross-party support from 35 MPs, although perhaps crucially, no conservative MPs have yet signed the proposal. In February this year, the Gaming Hardware Bill 2019-2021, intended to prohibit the automated purchase and resale of games consoles and computer components, was introduced to the House of Commons by Scottish National Party MP Douglas Chapman. However, it's still yet to receive its second reading. February also saw the UK government's Department for Business, Energy and Industrial Strategy respond to petitions signed by 15,500 people calling for a change in the law to tackle console scalping. The department said it had been discussing the issue of bulk purchasing of high-demand items like graphics cards and games consoles throughout automated bots, with trade associations such as Yuki. We understand they are currently examining further actions they can take to prevent those behaviors, the government statement continued, and are working with their retailers to improve experiences for customers purchasing their products. With no government legislation in place, however, Yuki told Eurogamer it can only recommend that consumers stay patient, refuse to buy from scalpers, and buy from a trusted retailer for the time being. What do you think about scalping? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.